I said, wasn't John do something crazy in court, like say, this is my drink of water. I thought this was my trial. I thought this was my case. Are you interfering with my right to put on my trial in the manner in which I wish to perform my trial? I thought this was my trial. I thought this was my time in the limelight. I thought this was my time before the world. I thought this was my case. Is this my trial? Are you putting me on trial? Is this my trial? Yeah, well, if it's my trial, I'm going to do as I wish. And if the jury doesn't like the way I'm conveying the performance, that's up to the jury to decide, not you. So, look, this is my drink of water, right? This is my glass of water that the bailiff gave me. Yeah, this is my water, right? Are you going to tell me, Judge, how fast or slow I can drink it? Is this my water? Or are you going to try to manipulate and control and get jurisdiction over this glass of water? Is that what you're trying to convey to this court right now, Judge? Are you going to tell me how I could drink this water? What part of my body I can put the water into? What do I want to pour it on top of my head? Here, like this, and then pour the water on top of your head. Right in front of the whole world and God and Judge and everybody. Say, are you going to tell me what I can do with my water? Oh, why don't you tell the bailiff, do not give this man any more water? That's right. Because you know what, Judge? It's not my water. It's yours. It's really, truly yours. But you're saying this is my trial. This isn't my trial, Judge. This is your trial. You're controlling it. You're saying what I can and cannot do. This is your trial. You carry all the liability, and you're trying to put it on me? You're trying to say this is my trial? No, it's not mine. I don't have any control of this whatsoever, do I? No, because if you don't like what I'm doing, you're gonna stop me or strike it or remove it, or you're gonna do whatever. You're gonna take me out of the building. Just like you said all week long, taking John out of the room, Well, this is John's trial. It's like Mommy. It's like, oh, well, Mommy says, well, if you don't know how to ride your bicycle, I'm gonna take your bicycle from you. But Mommy, I thought you gave me the bicycle. I thought you gave me some of your Christmas. It was my bicycle. Well, you're not doing it. You're not, operating it in a way I wish you to operate it in. So, it's taken away from me. So then, Mommy, why'd you give it to me? Because honestly, it's not mine, is it, Mom? It's yours. And you're going to string along all these damn terms and conditions on this, right? Right. Well, then obviously it's not mine to enjoy exclusive with all others within society. So it's not my property, is it? No, it's not. Because you're going to put terms and conditions on it, right, ain't you? Yeah, it ain't mine. Well, guess what? That little bundle of joy that your wife, the mom labored over, that's hers. That's her little piece of bundle of joy. That's her property. Does the dad have a vested interest in it? You better believe he does. Because she's the one who labored over it. She's the one who actually produced that thing. She's the one who put 99% of the labor into it. He put 1% in. But did he provide for her, like a roof and clothing and food and shelter over her head so she can labor? Yeah. He was busy building the factory while she was actually running the assembly line. That's right. So they got joint vested interest in it. You better believe they do. So nobody else within the society can make any claim, though, on the product that they produced. So all the mom and dad have to walk in there if they knew how to act like a man, if they knew how to say, like, that's my property, give it back. That's it.
Okay,
what did Jonathan Jesse do? It was two sentences for the claim. One, if you give it back, well, forgive and forget right now. And the next sentence was if you don't give it back right now, this is what we're going to do to you. And then the last sentence was the order.